Alright, third take now because like we've been having the giggles. Alright, my favourite cup, Garfield. Feel free to waste my valuable time. It's my motto. Anyway, back to the Yamato. Guess what? The deck is finally finished. I'm about to do a clear. And that'll be the next time you see her. We'll be all cleared up and ready to go on to the superstructure. Anyway guys, let's get on with it. Okay, that was a bit of fun. Now, just getting back into this, I'm just going to be like a show and tell today. Sort of got a lot on my mind. It's Anzac Day. I've just done a video on the APC for my brother-in-law. I have not stopped on the Yamato, get it right. Anyway, just going to go through the process of what I've done. And can we see? Yes, we can. Alright, I'm just going, no I'm not, going to leave you there. Alright, let's get the old pointy stick out. Now all these parts here, I actually put rope around them. Wasn't very hard. In the end, just a quick demo. What I was trying to do was like, I was trying to stick it onto the end and then wrap it around, and that was proving. And then I don't know, probably on the fourth or fifth one, I went like that. I went double super glue, waited, cut the end off, and then I started turning. And voila, it worked out perfectly. So a couple of the front ones are a little bit not neat, but you know, like my son said, you can actually notice the difference that they're not painted on, they're actually ropes, so that's a good thing. Okay, as we move down the ship, as you guys can see, yes, the deck has been done with panel line accent color brown. Alright, for those who want to know. I only did one coat, and then once that was dry, it was really dark, I was a bit worried. And then after it dried for a few days, it actually toned down a bit and all the details started coming out again. And I'm really wrapped, turned out really nice. Going down the ship, alright, all the radar detectors are on. Yeah, you guys can see what I'm talking about. All the side pieces have been put on, all the grills, all the little bits and bobs and things. It's been hit with a clear coat, not a clear coat, a varnish, alright, over the whole lot to seal in the deck. Fantastic. Moving on down the ship here. Boom. Alright, the rear deck. These stickers. Yes. Yeah. Should have maybe painted them. I don't know. It's hard to tell. But they look alright. You know, at the end of it, they're just meant to be walking platforms along the guide rails for the planes. So, you know, it is what it is. That's what came with the model. Should I've painted it? Maybe. I don't know. I have seen the painted version. It just literally looks like two strips of wood decking, you know, not wood decking, deck tan, you know, that has just been placed here. It doesn't look right, but at least with this you got the pattern and everything else, so I'm really happy with that. Like I said, more of ropes here and there and everywhere. More rangefinders, which I think they are. I'm not sure what they are, but they look like it, because they don't have little guns sticking out of them, so they've got to be it. Okay, now let's have some fun. Now, like I said, hang on, will this fit? No, it will not. Hang on a minute. Okay, the 520 guns, I made it, really, were made. they're not going with the model. I'm going to use the proper ones, but these are just for now, a bit of fun. I just wanted to see what it looked like, and I must admit the barrels in brass, well, these are aluminium, but yeah, totally different. No seams, just really nice and round, and looks really, really good. What I'm going to do now is, this is all dried and everything, I'm going to take it out to the garage and give it a good coat of clear coat, and then we'll have a look at it after that. Alright, I thought I'd show you one of these. Whoa, that's just too bright. Hang on a minute. There we go. Alright. That's one of the guns. Now, these, for some reason, didn't come with any mounting brackets, so they sit a little bit low, and oddly enough, they actually, well, move. They actually hit the top of the other one, so that was great engineering. They don't go up or anything. I mean, they're molded one hit. But anyway, it was a bit of fun, and it does sort of makes you wonder, you know, the 2-ton shells. I mean, really far out. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to go and give this a coat of clear, and then we'll have a look at it after that. And then I'm going to get stuck into the conning tower and look at the other thing too I was going to talk to you about is the rails. Now, there are rails that go places like there, around these parts here. There's rails along there, and of course the rails going right around the whole ship. Now, the way I plan on doing those, there's two ways I can do it. I can either like glue them on without painting them, and then mask up the whole ship, or paint the rails, glue them on, and then reseal them, which is probably the way I'm going to go. To mask the whole ship and not break anything, I've seen it done. Just, yeah. I think I underestimate myself sometimes, you know. Give me 10mm plate and some drawings, I'll make you a bridge, you name it. I've built it all, but when it comes to plastic, I just want to get my electrodes out and go. But anyway, it doesn't work like that. Love that blue light. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to give that a clear coat, and I'm going to get on with it. Okay guys, new camera angle. Haha, trying something new for a change. Yes. I'm playing with this right now. I'm sort of, the Yamato's been sprayed with clear. It's been drying for a couple of days now. Life has sort of not got in the way, but it's been interesting for the past few days. I was doing a bit of a clean up, and I found a very small drill. So I'm about to test whether it's going to work or not. But first I thought what I might do is practice on a bit of sprue, just give it a go. And I didn't have my light on, I was struggling with the light, and it's probably not as centered as probably what I'd like it to be. So anyway, I'll give it a go anyway. I just want to see if the hole's right. I'm quite sure, who cares? Yeah, you guys do. I do. Yes. No, see, straight away, I'm not going in right. Maybe I need to make my puddle hole bigger. See, this is why. And another thing too. Oh, shit, that's better. There's the center there. I really don't want to stab myself. Alright, that's a Yes. Oh, yeah. Alright. Alright. Okay, this could take a while. Alright. Get back to you in a minute. Okay guys, after struggling for a while I had to sharpen the drill. Once the drill got sharpened, it was pretty basically rather easy. Where is it? Yeah, good luck seeing that. Oh yeah, you can see that. Pointing at the wrong part. But it wasn't very hard. And it goes in nice and easy. So a bit of super glue in that place where it's supposed to be. Should be easy. The only other one I want to go and try and check is the smaller ones, which are not right in front of my eyes. Yeah, those ones there, they're really small. They're for the secondary. Yes, that's my baby. Just want to try these. See what they look like in these holes, because I don't have to buy a drill. They almost go into the hole. Oh dear. Well, I think these ones here, I don't know what I might do here. Might just shave them off and just glue them straight on. Considering I've got the drill for the big one, I can't see the point of going all out and getting a small set of drills. Anyway, the other thing I want to talk to you about was these guns. I still want to finish these guns, and what did I do with it? Anyway, basically what I worked out was, and I started one, was the old 2-litre milk bottle top. Fits perfectly, and I mean perfectly, and it's ribbed. Yes. So what I've done is, I don't know what to do with it, but I actually cut one right on the edge there. I'm making 3 of them because I've got 3 of these. The second gun from the front, I'm going to make it a little bit higher so it actually clears, because that's as always these are. They rest on each other. But anyway, I'm going to play with that. I was supposed to get this out yesterday, this video, but it might not be tomorrow either. Anyway, we'll see how we're going. Okay. The hole's finished. I really like the way it turned out. I actually did some after shading with a dry brush. Went over everything with the original colour. I might not see much on this side, considering like there's, but yeah, it turned out really nice. I'm really happy with that. So now we got to muck around with that. I love the way how that fits on, it just snaps on. Alright, that'll be the start of the whole top. Oh, the other thing I haven't shown you guys what I did. Maybe I can zoom in. Yes. Oh, the neighbours, yes. They like their holiday cars. I actually put rope on those barrels. That was a lot of fun. Turned out really nice. I'm quite sure I showed you that before, but I'm really quite happy with that. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with this episode for you guys. And I'll leave you with... Oops. Come on. It doesn't like zooming in. It's only a tablet. Anyway, tried. Well, like I said, I like the way the deck turned out. It's a really nice colour. And we'll go on from there on. Have a good one, everyone.